Again, we need to use Bodmas to solve this question also. 2/5 divided by a half of 4/9 minus 1 whole number 1/10. First of all, 1 whole number 1/10 is the same as 11/10 in form of improper fraction. So here we don't have bracket, we start with off. This is the same as, off is the same as times, so by 2 1 by 2 2. Therefore we have 2/5 divided by 2/9 minus 11/10. Then from off we have division. This is the same as 2/5. Division we change to multiplication, but find the reciprocal of 2/9, which is the same as 9/2, and therefore this is the same as 9/5. This 9/5 we subtract 11/10. The LCM here is 10. This, if you subtract 10 divided by 5, that is 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18, minus 10 divided by 10 is 10 multiplied by 11, that is 11. 10 divided by 10 is 1 times 11, that's 11. 18 minus 11 is the same as 7/10. Therefore this is the result of the numerator. When you come to the denominator, in the denominator again we only have 1/8 minus 1/6 multiplied by 3/8. So we don't have bracket or for division, we have only multiplication. So we can simplify this one by 3 1 by 3 2. 1/8 minus 1/16. The LCM here is 16. If you divide 16 by 8, that is the same as 2 minus 16 divided by 16, 1, which gives us 1/16. So we need to find numerator over denominator, which is the same as 7/10, which is the numerator, divided by 1/16. This will be 7/10 times 16/1 by 2, 5 by 2, 8. This gives us 56/5. But the question is asking us to find the answer in form of mixed number, and if you divide 56 by 5, we get 11 whole number 1/5. That's the final answer.